Zuri Montana.
Tana.
Niho wigishaga.
How was that?
Byari bimeze bite?
It was definitely colder.
Harakonjaga cyane.
Had nothing but glowing things to say about you.
Ariko nta kintu rwose nahene makuru numva bakuvugaho amabi wari umwarimu mwiza.
And everything about teaching those
Rwose nakunda kwigisha.
young angels the word of our Lord.
Ati rwose nigisha abana manumva ari nk'abamarayika batoya bakorera umwami wacu Imana.
Of course.
Cyane.
I don't know what the protocol was at St. Val's.
Ariko nizere ko protocole z'ikiguvuyeho n'ahantu biratandukanye.
But here we prefer our teachers wear no makeup.
Ariko twebwe twano duba dushaka abarimu batitera makeup.
Any kind.
Ibyo bintu by'ibiruje arevure ku minwa kuraho. Akira Saviet kuraho umwanda. Ibyo bintu bicumuza abana babandi. Iyo mudomo umwana yayihekenya kandi taricyo cyamuzanye. So désolé kuraho.
Instructional building. Your classroom will be on the second floor.
Icyumba cyazakiri kuri floor ya kabiri. Ya dortoir y'abahungu z'abakobwa ziri hariya hirya.
Keep them as far apart as possible.
Tugiye kazi kaye rwose nshingano nk'umubyeyi nako nagura umubyeyi sorira imanzera. Nuko udatuma abahungu n'abakobwa bahura.
Sophia, your new homeroom
Jason Brady hura na mwarimu wanyu Sophia.
teacher. Hi.
Bete.
So nice to meet you.
Siza kura nawe. Sasa manzera kurareba ka kana kagasore.
Is our resident musician.
Ni andoro ya. Data wemega.
Really? You must be quite good.
Manu rasereza wa mwana uragatangaza.
I'm okay.
Ameze neza.
I'll see you in class.
Tuzahuriye muri class. Masera kurikiza gasora amaso. Kana karatwika karazwi hano kuri Instagram, kirwa gashira mu video kuri YouTube karazwi.
He's been having a hard time.
Yagize ibihe bikomeye.
Who's that?
Well, his grades have been falling and he got into
Imyigire yose yagazite.
a bit of trouble.
Ndati yasubiye inyuma gatoya.
DUI.
Ariko ubu ngubu ndakeka ubwo azasubira inyuma cyane ko avuye no mu biruhuko.
Wrecked his father's car.
Tubwa mbere yagongesheje imodoka ya se.
Thank God no one was hurt.
Sibyo ke turashimana na mwana akomerekeyemo. Mansera ngwino. Sophia yabonye agasore mana we.
This is your room.
Kiri cyo cyumba cyawe.
It's not fancy, but we've never had any complaints.
Ntago rwose ari cyumba cya danje ariko ugomba kucyakira nicyo gihari.
Well, I'll leave you to get settled in.
Hano rero nde bugusigiye rwose ubike ibintu byawe.